y'all, Renee here. I am back today to do the July page from the Cut Above Layout Kit Reasons to Smile calendar kit. And this is the page we're going to do. I absolutely love watermelon. However, I do keto, so watermelon does not make its way on my plate very often at all, unfortunately. But it will be nice to do some crafting with watermelons. So I've already set aside all my pieces. I do need to trim out my die cuts, but this time there's only a couple, or three. Watermelon, a heart, and then this white piece behind her, the white scallop piece, is actually a die cut. So that's kind of nice. So I will go ahead and get started on this, and then I will be back at the end to talk about it. Enjoy. Okay, well, here is July. I think this one turned out really cute. I knew it would, with, you know, if it has a watermelon on it, how can it not? But I love the colors. I love how they all came together. I did have a little fight about how to come to Jesus talk with that A, because it was being a bugger. And I think what it would have been the easiest way to do it is what I ended up doing in the end, is laying it down and then picking that extra piece out. I do have just a little bit of rough edge, but I don't think anyone's really going to notice it, so I need to quit messing with it. And the days matched perfectly because they're green. I love that when they correspond with the color of the layout. I know, kind of a matchy-matchy thing, huh? So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this was the Cut Above Layout Kit, Reasons to Smile. This is available through the end of October. And there's several versions that you can get. I'll have links down below. But I'm doing the calendar kit, and this was July. So we have 5 more to go. So I hope you come back to see the rest of them. If you aren't already a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe. Just hit the little button down below. And I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.